I'm going to demonstrate some techniques with Winsor & Newton Promarkers that work really well and let you achieve some striking effects. As with all Winsor & Newton graphic markers, the Promarker has two nibs, one at either end. A broad chisel nib to make a variety of marks and effects, plus a finer bullet point for outlining and more delicate work. You can try various layering methods to create shade. I can shade with a single colour using wet on dry layers. Blend into other colours using the same method, creating depth, shadow and textures. Get more creative with wet on wet, making colours merge. You can even mix colours on a plastic surface like an artist's palette, as I'm doing here, giving you smooth coverage thanks to the translucent nature of the ink. If you want to blend one colour with another, the Promarker blender lets you do this, either as an underlayer or with wet colour to create subtle graduations. Create precise, bold and fine combinations. Why not try some of these ideas for yourself and get some essential colour confidence into your work?